Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post a story to Facebook and Instagram via Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Facebook, as well as a like page and a story that we will be posting. Can I start this tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio using a shortcut within our bookmarks. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account and make sure that you have Facebook and Instagram all interlinked together, so we can therefore post once, and on both platforms the post is automatically created and posted. So let's now go to content, and then top right corner on the side of create post, we want to create story, and also make sure that you have a story ready on your computer that could have been created from any photo creating software, Photoshop, or artificial intelligence. Let's now go preview, quick preview, go back to Facebook Creator Studio. We can share to Computer Science Videos on Facebook and Computer Science Videos on Instagram. We can untick if we wish to only share to one platform. In this tutorial, we are looking to share to both platforms. So let's now click on add photo or video, or we can drag and drop if we need to. Story test via Facebook Creator Studio. Click on upload. We are told that we can upload up to 10 images and videos at a time. Mentions are now available for stories. That's okay. This is how it will look on Facebook story as well as Instagram story. That's amazing. We can schedule in the near future if we wish to. However, let's now click on share. Publishing the story to Facebook as well as Instagram. So your story is still being published and has now been published. So what I will do is quit Safari, go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, then go to Facebook Creator Studio again. Let's now navigate to the Facebook like page via Creator Studio. And then we should see that we have posted a story. If I were to, let's just say, click on this to view story. And there we go. We have that on screen. Let's now open up a new tab. Navigate to Instagram. Make sure that you are signed into your account. And there we have that story posted directly from Facebook Creator Studio to two platforms, Instagram and Facebook. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.